Welcome to matrix multiplication. First of all, we'll check whether these matrices can be multiplied or not. In other words, are they conformable for multiplication or not? Because all the matrices cannot be multiplied. What is the procedure? Let's see the order of the first matrix. 1, 2. We are just checking now. 2 rows and 3 columns. We're going to write the order. Then in the second matrix, we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rows 1, 2, 3, and 3 columns. So these are the order of both the matrices. We have written it in under those matrices to check whether are they conformable for multiplication or not. If they are conformable for multiplication, if the inside numbers, if these inside numbers, which I'm going to circle, these inside numbers are same, they must be same for matrix multiplication. So this is the key. And the outside numbers tell us about the order of the new matrix after multiplication. So this 2 and 3, the outside numbers, they will be telling us about the order of the new matrix after multiplication. So we can see that 2 will be the number of rows of the new matrix after multiplication, and 3 will be the number of columns. So the order of the new matrix after multiplication will be 2 cross 3. Now see how they can be multiplied. It is conformable. These two matrices are conformable for multiplication. So we're going to continue how to multiply these matrices. The first row is multiplied with all the columns first, one by one. The first row of the first matrix, let us box it. It will be multiplied with all the rows one by one of the second matrix. This is the way we're going to multiply the matrices. I have boxed the first column first. Let's see how multiplication will be done. 2 with green will be multiplied with 3 in this column, marking green, so that it will be easy for you to understand. 3 and the middle number is marked with or circled with black color, and the last number is circled with red color. Let's see. 1 will be multiplied with 2. This is how multiplication takes place. Now let's multiply the numbers. Yes, 2. First of all, let's see 2 in green, 3 in green. Placing the bracket is very important. 6. 3 into 1, positive 3. And 1 into 2, positive 2. So we're going to write it and close the bracket. Now we're going to give some gap. Again, we're going to do the same procedure with the second column. Let's see. Let's box the second column, because the same procedure will be applied on the second column of the second matrix. Four with green, 3 with black, and 1 with red. This is how we are going to multiply the numbers. 4 into 2, 8, placing the bracket with the gap in between. 3 into 1, positive 3, and 1 into 1, positive 1. Okay, again closing the bracket. We are done. Now a gap should be there, and now we're gonna apply the same procedure on the last column as well. We're gonna keep on doing it until the columns are not finished in the second matrix. So the last column will be boxed now. Now the green 5 will come in green, and 4 will be marked with black, and 4 will be marked with red, the last one. So let's multiply the terms, the numbers. 5 into 2, 10, and 4 into 3, positive 12. Yes, and 4 into 1, positive 4. Closing the bracket. And now coming to the second, now we're going to come to the second row of our matrix, because we are done with all the columns. Now we're going to start with the second column of the first matrix. When we'll come in the second column, in the answer as well will come in the second row. sorry, in the first matrix will come in the second row, so answer as well will come in the second row. So this is it. Again doing the same procedure with second row. We're gonna multiply the second row with the first column and then keep on doing this. 2 is circled with green, the second one is circled with black, third one is circled with red. In the same way we're gonna multiply the numbers the way we have done in the first row. So 6, -7 and 8, positive 8. Yes. Now we're going to close the bracket. Again, it should be some gap in between, and then 2 into 4 again. We're going to see the second column, the numbers in the second column will be multiplied. We're going to box it so that you'll better understand the situation. Now we're going to circle this 4 with green, the second one with black, the third number with red. Again, multiply 4 into 2. So placing the bracket first with a gap in between, 4 2s are 8, and then -7 into 1, -7. 4 into 1 we're gonna give you +4. Again we're gonna close the brackets and start the third column. Start multiplying this row, the second row of the first matrix, with the third column. Same procedure will be applied. Let's box the third column. 2 into 5 we're gonna give you 5 2s are 10, right? And 4, yes, first of all we have to circle the numbers with different colors. 2 into 5, 5 2s are 10, and then -7 into 4, -28. Now we have 4 into 4, +16. Yeah, so we are done with it because the number of rows in the first matrix are finished. So we cannot keep it on. We are done with it. If we have more rows in the first matrix, so we'll continue the same procedure. We're gonna take that third row and multiply with all the columns one by one. Let's simplify the numbers. Let's find out the solution. 6 plus 3 plus 2 will gonna give you 11. Now we have -1 plus 8, +7, 12, and we have 5 over here. 8 minus 7, 1, 1 plus 4, 5, and 10 plus 12, 22 plus 4, we have 26, and 10 minus 28 plus 16. So you can use calculator to find out the answer as well, so that you're not going to make any mistake.